and it was like those quarter points you was telling me about, and at
Mm-hmm.
certain points you would get like say 54 buyers and like 5 sellers, that
Mm-hmm.
kind
No, yeah, that makes sense.
of. Yeah, right now dollar's bearish, so
Let's see. Oh yeah, we still holding that resistance. So I'm cool with hitting some buys off. Like we got a double bottom here on US 30. Nas is chilling too. Let's see. Let's react. Gold. So all right, everything's really gearing up to just continue. Let me go look at the 30, 15.
or
And we just closed the 10. Let's just go look at. I don't even know if this gives me the 10. It doesn't. Let's do the 5. All right. Okay. I'm gonna actually go ahead and buy some things here. So let's minimize some of this here. Pull up TopStep. All right. So obviously, I mean, just I don't even know when I drew these, to be honest with you guys, but I am going to take a buy on silver. Let me look at gold. Um, go down to the one. I'm gonna buy gold, but I'm gonna keep the stop loss fairly tight. So about there.
order filled.
Look at Nas. Nasty Nas. I'm also gonna buy. The next one is more based on the support level that we can obviously see. I mean, it's a minor one because this is the 1 minute. So I gotta be, you know, smart about this. Let's go with 15. And the 15 closes here in a few. So we're gonna be careful with the Nas 100 one. And that's mainly because once this 15-minute closes in 2 minutes or so, it'll probably retrace that 50%, which could bring us come on, into this area here. So I'm not trying to get too crazy on that. Stop loss will be behind the 5 minute candle. All right. So if you get any, bearish close in the next 5 minutes or so that we don't like, we'll just close it early. No big deal. But as far as gold and silver, I am pretty confident. I'm gonna let those rock out. And let's go look at 15-minute closes. Go to the hour. Four-hour. Oh man, it's a heavy close back down. Excuse me. And it's a new 4-hour candle, so already getting the retracement on the dollar for the 4-hour. We're already 50% of that, so we can maintain what we're seeing, which is, we got two heavy wicks at the top side showing rejection. We're closing below still that 109,200. So as long as that maintains, I think we'll be a-okay. Looking for buys today.
Man, gold's dropping, man.
Heavy?
Yeah, it should have blew your stop loss.
Damn it. Ooh, like I said, I'm down 200 on gold. It's like quick.
Okay.
Well, see, now now it's coming back to break even. God, dog, this is like telling you, this is hyper trading, man. It feels like it. Like it literally went down 200. Now it's like back at break even, and God, that was like within 30 seconds.
It's heavy. It is
Is what it
definitely
is.
heavy. Man. Take a look at this hours for eclipse.
I'm looking at the weekly for Nas 100, and I think it might be pulling back nicely.
Say that last part again.
I think it might be in the middle of a nice pullback. I'm looking for a buy. Could possibly be create a buy pretty soon. So some buy
So,
opportunities pretty soon.
yeah. Look at us.
But just spent
It's not even.
earlier this week and then late last week dropping.
Yeah, because basically for this week, come back into the resistance level here. Failed to break that, and it's already going strong.
I can't see your screen for some reason. It's like
Oh,
lined out.
let me see. There we go.
Oh, cool.
So we had this previous resistance here, and I mean, we made it a support, obviously, and then came back to it again for the start of this year, and it's still struggling to break that. So I think things look good for a buy. I mean, it's just being patient, man. At the end of the day. Now, I do know we have this retest I wanted from yesterday's situation where it left this giant gap, but we'll see. We'll see. I have to break this support here, but we'll be
Uh,
outweighed for that if it does. I'm just trying to see if this zone from previously upholds or not. The dollar's going to play a huge role in this. Gold should still be looking good for you guys if you're in that buy.
Got to get down to the 5 minute. This is nuts.
oh, did you re-enter gold?
No, like I'm in the same trade. Like it went down to like 190. Now it's coming back to break even again. At the 5 minute, it tested a resistance level and it's going back. It's going back to touch it.
Yeah, it's like it's wicking at the top pretty hard here on the 5 minute.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. But you know, RSI is going downwards. Bears are coming in.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What was that? Oh, nice. Oh, nice. I don't like that, buddy. So let you go, Playboy.
What you looking at now?
Crazy L. I was not trying to take today. Yeah,
Choosing on the buy.
I was. I was. Might be a little early there. So I'm definitely have to make that up if something good comes up. All right, dollar. Keep rejecting for me. Let's go back and see. Squeeze your top.
Yeah, I got stopped out.
Yeah, I don't like that head and shoulders pattern either. US 30 still holding. SPX as well. The one thing I don't like is that these are at these tops of these RSIs. The one thing that could be causing issue. And I definitely don't want to rush anything, so just wait and see what they decide to do here.
Yeah, gold's moving sideways right now in the 5 minute. It's just,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's just, dog. I'm just trying to get back to break even. Okay. Yeah, man. So I was looking at Naked Forex last night. I learned about it's called a kangaroo tail. I
Mm-hmm.
think that's what you call it. What is that inside hammer? I don't know if that's what you call it's like reversal signal, long tail, and the start open and close are like real close to each other.
I think I remember that. Let me see if I can find a visual.
And like the thing about it, it was saying that it doesn't matter if it's a bull or bear, as long as it's either at the bottom or top of a trend. So yeah, very long wick indicates a buy or a sell depending on the position or reversal.
Let's see. Man, everybody wants you to sign up for stuff. Very long wick where the open and close price are in the upper 2/3 of the candle range. Uh, for a buy, right? Like at the lower end.
Yeah, either a buy or a sell, but like it's a
See,
very
I
long
might have
tail.
heard.
And the long tail shows that it ranges. So sometimes it will hit the zone. And if it's a bad kangaroo tail, it'll have a short tail.
Man, I stay with these spam calls from people that's claiming they found my resume. That shit crazy.
Kind of like this, kind of like a hammer.
Yeah, basically. I guess that's what it's like the very long tail, the like the bottom or upper third, depending on the position, and like it talks about reversal signal. Yeah, I'm just trying to break even on gold. It's crazy.
Take a look. One thing I do like on gold is that we're still at least maintaining this area. I think the 5 minute has a inside bar.
Yeah,
Yeah, so we're still maintaining the area.
yeah, their RSI is slowing down. Okay, now we're coming back up, trying to see if I
S
can.
SPX looks nice. Like the engulfing and the bullish for value gap fill. So this could offer an inverted type setup for us. And Nas is right where we want it to.
Build.
I'm gonna hit Nas off. And
Jumped on
SPX.
the
Now, if
bot
you
for
are
Nas.
taking SPX, you
Yep.
want to have that stop behind that engulfing.
The 5 minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, I don't see an engulfing.
It might not be on TopStep. It's on Trading View, but right behind that previous 5 minute candle.
God dang, this is crazy, dude.
What do you use to trade Nas 100 on?
For TopStep, it's NQ.
Oh, okay, it's just Nas dot.
Yeah. Good. Dollar's falling off, so this should carry us into the rest of the day. And then Dow, look for something like this. Which, I mean, it's kind of already done it, but you entered SPX.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy XPX, pushing.
Order
Cool.
filled.
Good. Dollar still looking beautiful. Take a look. Gold, good.
Yeah,
Silver,
gold's good.
finally.
So Dow was pushing down.
Yep. Nice three black crows coming in right now on the 5 and breaking the previous low.
Order filled.
Damn. I got stopped out in XPX.
Oh man, what is happening today?
Well, I mean, dollars pushing down. So XPX should be pushing down, right?
It should be pushing up, technically,
Yeah,
if we got a down dollar. But
yeah, pushing hard down.
yeah, now it's pushing pretty hard too. So we may have to call it and revisit this.
That's what I was saying, because it's been for like the last 2 weeks, it's been coming down. It seems like.
Yeah,
So
gold's
probably should be
doing
looking for
pretty
sales
good.
on the 100 and 500.
Yeah. All right, let's go to the, what did we just get, the 30-minute? All right, we're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and let these develop because the longer play, I mean, the short play would be to sell back into 21,000. If it breaks 21 to 27, because this was obviously a strong resistance level. So we'll wait. If you want, you can attempt it. I mean, what you would be looking for.
Hey, oil just ate that entire move from yesterday. The entire move.
They traded right back down. Well, what a gap. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, go look at the daily.
What
Ate
the heck?
ate the entire move. I think like this morning, just ate that shit, bro.
Let me see what's going on here. Oh, unemployment's going up. Sales are low, sales are low. That makes sense. That would make sense. So
Unemployment
economically,
unemployment has a employment has a correlation with oil.
I mean sales overall. Let me see if that's specific. So let's see. This is so inflation wise, greater than forecast is good. And what was our actual? Oh, that's GDP. I'm on the wrong. Yeah, so it was worse than forecasted. So these are just sales at a retail level. And then core, excluding automobiles, and this also sales at a retail level, which is also worse than forecasted. So this is not a good look overall, which would, yeah, I mean, influence sales for sure.
But if you
Look at USD CAD.
look at the daily on gold, or not on gold, if you look at the daily on oil, it's it is coming back into a fair value gap.
Yeah. Yeah,
So it
this one
could
needs to
be.
be filled. I mean, we want to see 75 get touched.
Yeah,
So
because if that's the case, if they hit it late today, it pretty much the market tends to slow down around like an hour or two before it closed, and then 2 hours later when it opened back up, something
right.
happened. That shit might take off. That shit might take back off again.
So I'm gonna wait. I mean, you could sell this down as far as Nas US 30. I wouldn't be against it. Nas for sure, because the main support level is 21,000. Right in this area here where the fair value gap is, where we got the neckline. If that's going to be news influenced, then we'll let news influence and get to that spot in the market, and then we'll look to buy it later on today. Same thing with US 30. We want that to come down into 42.8 to 43, and then actually get the buy we really want. So there's be no reason to put the account at risk, if that's gonna happen.
Does TopStep have US 30?
Yeah, it's a Dow.
Oh, Dow,
Yeah, Dow Jones.
YM.
Should be
Yeah.
DOW. Yeah, YM. Yeah, yeah. So let's do that, reconvene. I'll drop a chart in the chat. Or I'll give you guys an update once we get closer to those locations. But you do definitely have the chance to look at a sell on Nas. Now that we've broken that support level we were looking at, you could look to catch a retest of it and a continuation.
Oh yeah, they selling off hard, bro.
Oh yeah. And US 30 is probably going to follow suit up until it reaches the next support level. Because then we have a kind of inverted head and shoulders, higher right shoulder in here. That resistance being held. Ooh, SPX. What a move.
I'm about to say you wouldn't sell that. I mean, it's hot.
I'd sell gold.
You sell gold. Okay.
I would sell gold and at least have the stop loss right behind that previous 5.
But sell it down to
2705 probably. So it's gonna look like this. And then one thing you would need to break would be this level here. So you're looking for it to come down, reject here, come down again, reject, and then make a move there. See what dollar does with this gap fill. Because if this is the starting point for the dollar going bullish, since we're still in line with the bullish trend, then yeah, all these things selling off right now would definitely line up. Just be conscious and don't overtrade. Like if you already took 2, 3 L's, don't sacrifice the account. All right, y'all good?
Yeah, man. God, dog. In the time we was speaking, I took a win and 2 losses. Like that XPX was this just kicked my ass.
What you only took 3, right? 3 trades today?
I only took 3.
All right, cool. Call it good.
Okay.
And then we'll reconvene tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about selling gold though.
It's right,
It's
right.
out like because it's out of trend and that shit like it's just fighting up. It's ugly. It's an ugly fight
It's
up.
ugly. Yeah, it
Yeah,
is. It for sure is. So that's why I'm like, man, I'll wait till it's clear.
yeah.
And then
I wouldn't touch.
if it shows up later, we're gonna be ready for it.
I wouldn't touch that shit. I would say if you want to get into anything else, fucking oil is fucking oversold than a motherfucker. I wouldn't touch. I wouldn't sell gold. I sell Nas. Would definitely
Let me
sell
see.
Nas.
Yeah, it's got a nice little 5 minute retrace on it, and there's room to go down into the bottom of the RSI. But don't feel like you have to. US 30 even looks good right now as far as the sell is concerned. Um, because it's still under that resistance. But I'm more long term looking to buy. So I'm kind of trying to stay patient until it reaches my support range then at 43,000.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure. Oh, I need to add alerts for
Yeah.
Nas and whatchamacallit. Create.
All right. Sounds good, fellas. I will holler at y'all.